Welcome to our latest video. Bathrooms are still the most renovated room in homes. Today, we'll explore the growing trend of bathroom renovations, which have recently outpaced kitchens in popularity. From emotional benefits and return on investment to the latest design innovations and sustainability features, we'll uncover why homeowners are focusing on their bathrooms more than ever in 2024. Join us as we dive into the transformative power of these small but impactful spaces. 1. Renovation trends. Bathrooms outpace kitchens in 2024. In 2024, bathrooms have once again taken the top spot as the most renovated room in homes across the United States. According to the National Association of Home Builders, nearly 30% of all home renovation projects involved bathrooms last year. This surpasses kitchen remodels, which came in at 27%. Many homeowners see bathroom updates as more manageable and less disruptive than larger projects like kitchen overhauls. The House and Home study released in April 2024 supports this, showing that homeowners prioritize bathroom updates for both comfort and resale value. The rising demand for spa-like features and improved functionality are driving this trend, making bathrooms the clear leader in home renovations. 2. Why bathrooms? The emotional impact of a fresh start. Bathrooms are personal sanctuaries, a place where people start and end their days. Remodeling this space often feels like a fresh start, energizing the entire household. A 2024 survey by HomeAdvisor found that 68% of respondents felt happier at home after completing a bathroom renovation. For many, adding features like rainfall showers, heated floors, or new lighting creates a sense of luxury and calm that ripples through daily routines. This emotional connection explains why homeowners are willing to invest time and money in bathroom updates, even over larger living spaces. 3. Return on investment. Bathrooms lead in value boost. Homeowners are not just chasing comfort, they're also looking at resale value. According to Remodeling Magazine's 2024 Cost versus Value report, a mid-range bathroom remodel recoups about 67% of its cost when the home is sold. In comparison, kitchen remodels return around 59%. This higher return on investment makes bathroom projects especially appealing to those considering selling within the next few years. Real estate agents frequently highlight upgraded bathrooms in listings because buyers see them as signs of a well-maintained home. 4. Small spaces, big impact. Why size doesn't matter. Unlike kitchens or living rooms, bathrooms are relatively small, making them easier and less expensive to renovate. Even a modest update, like new tile, fixtures, or paint, can dramatically change how the space feels. The 2024 Thumbtack Home Trends report noted that half-bath and powder room renovations jumped by 14% this year, showing that even tiny spaces can deliver big impacts. Homeowners appreciate that bathroom projects typically finish faster, minimizing disruption and allowing them to enjoy the results sooner. 5. Technology in the bathroom. The rise of smart features. The latest bathroom renovations are packed with technology. From smart toilets with heated seats to mirrors with built-in LED lighting and touch controls, tech upgrades are everywhere. According to a 2024 survey by the National Kitchen and Bath Association, 38% of homeowners included at least one smart feature in their bathroom remodel. These upgrades aren't just about convenience, they also improve hygiene and energy efficiency. Touchless faucets, for example, have become popular for their ability to reduce germ spread, especially in family homes. 6. Eco-friendly updates. Sustainability takes center stage. Sustainability is a driving force in today's bathroom renovations. Homeowners are choosing low-flow toilets, water-saving showerheads, and LED lighting to reduce their environmental footprint. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, reported that WaterSense-labeled products saved American households nearly 1 trillion gallons of water in 2024 alone. Eco-friendly renovations not only help the planet but also lower utility bills, making them a smart choice for cost-conscious homeowners. More people are opting for recycled materials and non-toxic paints as well, reflecting a wider shift toward green living. 7. Health and wellness. Turning bathrooms into spas. Wellness-focused renovations have surged in popularity. Features like steam showers, deep soaking tubs, and aromatherapy systems are high on homeowners' wish lists. The American Institute of Architects 2024 Home Design Trend Survey found that 48% of architects saw increased demand for spa-like bathrooms this year. People are prioritizing spaces that help them relax and recharge, especially after the stress of recent years. This focus on wellness explains why so many bathroom projects include upgrades that go beyond basic functionality. 8. Aging in place. Making bathrooms safer and more accessible. As the population ages, more homeowners are renovating bathrooms to be safer and more accessible. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, highlights that falls in the bathroom are a leading cause of injury among older adults. In response, 2024 data from Home Innovation Research Labs shows a 22% increase in installations of grab bars, walk-in tubs, and curbless showers. These practical upgrades make it easier for seniors to stay at home longer and give peace of mind to families. 9. Design trends. From bold colors to minimalist chic, bathroom design trends for 2024 are all about personality. Homeowners are embracing bold tile patterns, colorful vanities, and statement lighting. At the same time, the minimalist look, think clean lines, floating vanities, and frameless glass showers, remains popular. According to the House Bathroom Trends study, 54% of renovators chose a contemporary or modern style for their projects this year. The freedom to express personal taste in a smaller space makes bathrooms the perfect canvas for creativity. 10. The power of first impressions. Bathrooms matter to buyers. Real estate agents consistently report that updated bathrooms help sell homes faster and at higher prices. According to a 2024 Zillow study, listings with recently renovated bathrooms sold 5 days faster than similar homes without updates. Buyers view clean, modern bathrooms as a sign that the whole house has been cared for. Even small upgrades, like new faucets or a fresh coat of paint, can make a big difference in how a property is perceived. This focus on first impressions is one of the key reasons bathrooms remain the top choice for home renovations.